Okay, so we're taking two. This is our second time to do this video. So this is the Bunsen burner, question 10 on your lab sheet or station 10. What we're going to do is show you how to turn on and the Bunsen burner and heat up some water. So what we're going to do first is put the gas on. So there's a gas valve up here on your lab bench, and what you're going to do is turn the valve so that this piece is parallel to the hose, and it'll point in the direction the gas flows. So when I turn it this way, the gas is now coming out, going through the hose into the Bunsen burner. You're going to take a lighter, and strike it off to the side, and then come up and light the flame. Now this is not the flame that you want. This is a flame that has doesn't have enough oxygen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew the top portion here, and it's going to allow for more oxygen to flow, and then you'll get that nice blue cone, which is what we want in the lab. So this is what you'll want, is like an 1.5 to 2 inch cone on the inside, and that nice blue cone is what we want. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a test tube with some test tube holders, and I'm going to put in about 1 inch of water or so, maybe 5 mils of water, and I'm going to heat the water to a boil, a rolling boil. This is actually really dangerous. We're going to do this several times throughout the year. And so what we're going to do is we're going to heat the water to boiling, but you're going to have to move it out of the flame quickly so that it doesn't overheat. You never want to point the test tube like at somebody else when you're heating it, or at yourself. So point it away from yourself and others. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it in the flame so that it goes to that blue cone on the inside there until I can feel it kind of bumping just a little bit. There, it's starting to go a little bit, and once it starts to bump, I move it out of the flame. So I'm moving it through the flame until, there it goes. And now I have boiled my water. That's the entire experiment for this station. To shut the gas off, you go back up to your valve and turn it so that it's perpendicular. And then you put the water off in the sink and let it cool. Please don't touch anything that's hot.